From Taiwan to the world, Foxconn has grown deep roots right here in the United States. Since 1980, we've been growing, locally and steadily, manufacturing products for our customers, many of them global technology leaders sprung from the United States. Foxconn employs over 8,700 people from coast to coast. We make data servers, lots of electronics, and key components. We see business growth ahead to support our customers and our partners. Foxconn is expanding in Texas and California. We are well positioned in Ohio. We aim to hire thousands of employees in the coming years in states like Wisconsin. We are the world's largest electronics manufacturer and leading technology solutions provider. Across the world, Foxconn makes 4 out of every 10 electronic gadgets. We are the world's largest AI server provider. We keep innovating to deliver better, smarter solutions to our customers. Inside our production lines and R&D centers, every movement reflects precision, dedication, and passion. Foxconn's role is to transform the vision of our partners and customers into scalable productivity. Houston is home to our largest production operation in the United States. It is also the first Foxconn site in the US to achieve mass production of liquid-cooled AI servers. In the Bay Area, our R&D sites sit within our advanced manufacturing presence in Silicon Valley. Giving back is part of who we are. At Foxconn, our employees are part of the community, volunteering with local food banks to helping the environment. From these American cities, innovation begins locally, but resonates globally, driving progress from production floors to data centers, cities, and communities worldwide. The next generation is here, ready to shape the future. With bold ideas and fresh energy, they are building what's next. This is our team and our shared story.